Hey guys, it's Ann here. In this StreamOut review, I'm going to show you a brand new video marketing platform that combines live streaming on multiple social media platforms with the power of webinar style maximum impact follow-ups. Make sure you stay to this end of this review as I'm going to show you the different OTOs and upgrades to know exactly what you're getting into if you decide to purchase. You will see a link below this video. If you click on the link, you are going to see all of the special bonuses that are available if you pick up from me. Also, please like this video as it really helps my YouTube channel. And to make sure to hit the subscribe button and bell notification. And I really appreciate that. Thank you. Let's have a look at the bonus page. As you can see, these are some of the exclusive bonuses that will be available during this special launch. And should you decide to purchase from my link, all of these exclusive bonuses will be right inside your JVZoo account waiting for you after you purchase the StreamOut software. Okay, let's do walkthrough together on the StreamOut sales page. It's the brand new video marketing platform that combines live streaming on multiple social media platforms with the power of webinar style maximum impact follow-ups. And with the StreamOut, there's a built-in commercial license for you. And with that, you can start making money right away immediately by providing services to your clients. And with the StreamOut, there's a custom registration and thank you pages. You have the easy list building strategy. It's a 100% cloud-based, and you can get your leads from the live events, and you can stream up to maximum 3 platforms at the same time. And with the StreamOut, you don't need to do the same live event again and again, and you can just let the live run while you're away from your computer or while you're sleeping away. And these are some of the exciting features about the StreamOut. You can host pre-recorded live events. You can stream on multiple platforms at the same time. There is no monthly fees charged. There's a lead generation built in for you. You can share your screen and videos, and you can invite your participants to your streaming events. And the StreamOut works in 3 simple steps. Step 1, you integrate your social media accounts to your streaming event. Step 2, you set up the events with the customized landing and registration pages to collect the information like email address and mobile number. And you can start follow-up before the webinar starts, and you can start streaming after that. Step 3, you engage with your audience after the live events with all the contact information that you have gathered. And with that, you can start to build trust, become the authority in your space, and dominate using your streaming events. And if you want to run a successful business in 2021, you need to look beyond the possibilities of the live events in a smart way. By start to interact with your prospective customers, you get more leads, you gain their trust, and you get more sales. There's also higher chances of you closing the deal. You can create a brand value for yourself, and you can follow up after the event itself. And with that, the StreamOut comes into the picture because it's the easiest, fastest, most affordable live stream software. It's all applications that you ever need all in one click in a single dashboard. And how powerful is that? And the best part is there is no monthly fees ever charged. And with the StreamOut, building an audience and authority is easier than ever because you don't need any expensive monthly tools. You don't need to be live on your streaming events, and you don't need to hire experts or have a team on yourself, and you don't have to spend hours on creating new videos every single time. And you don't even need to stream individually on every social media platform. And with the StreamOut, it's perfect for online marketers, solopreneurs or entrepreneurs, small business owners, bloggers, local businesses, influencers, website owners, affiliate marketers, social media marketers, authors and publishers, e-com store owners, or just anyone wanting to automate tasks and save time for the day itself. Okay, let's have a look at the comparison of StreamOut compared to other software. They are StreamYard, VLive, and Restream.io. As you can see, StreamOut has the lowest cost among all, and there is no recurring fees ever. For the StreamOut, you have the live streaming, pre-recorded streaming, live stream recording, stream participants, full HD streaming quality, customized registration page, customized thank you page, tracking codes for ads retargeting. You can embed YouTube and Vimeo videos on registration page. There's a multilingual registration and thank you page. You can customize follow-up emails, email notification, SMS notification, WhatsApp notification, bulk emails and SMS reminders, About uploads using CSV, you can import registrants from previous live events. You can integrate autoresponders, stream health monitoring, custom SMTP plugin, Twilio plugin, custom branding on emails, push notification in browser, intro video feature, outro video feature, stream analytics and insights, chat during streaming, custom branding, custom graphic overlays for backgrounds, text and title on live stream, multi-camera support, and screen sharing. As you can see, StreamYard beats all the other software with its so many powerful features like never seen before. And when you grab a copy of the StreamYard, you're entitled to the exclusive bonuses, which is included in your purchase itself. Bonus 1, Convert Me to App. Bonus 2, Smart Newsletter Builder. Bonus 3, Proxy My Mail. Bonus 4, Must Have 20 Plus WordPress plugin for your online business. And bonus 5, Auto Webinar Profits. And all this adds up to the value of $9,321. And with the StreamYard, you have the 14 days 100% money back guarantee. And you can always test drive the software, test drive the product, and you're back with the money back guarantee. There are two plans for you to pick. One is the StreamYard Silver, which is $47 one-time payment, and the other one is the StreamYard Gold, which has the commercial license for you, and you can start selling and make money for yourself by providing your products and services to your clients, and it's a $67 one-time payment. And next, I'll walk you through on the demo of the software, and I'll come back to you showing you the different OTOs and upgrades to know exactly what you're getting into if you decide to purchase. And I'll see you after this.
Hey, how's it going? It's me, Mario, and I'm going to give you a quick demo of our brand new StreamYard software. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click here on login, and I'm going to show you a little bit behind the scenes. So here we are on the main dashboard of StreamYard, right? And StreamYard is a live streaming platform where you can stream on YouTube, Facebook, and Twitch at the same time simultaneously, but you can also play pre-recorded videos, and we added super high converting webinar style features to it as well, like SMS reminders, WhatsApp reminders, email reminders, and all kinds of nice strategies. You can share your screen, all that stuff, right? But let me show you step by step how to actually create your first stream and how easy it is to use. Here on the left hand side you have a menu bar, and we have autoresponder integrations, we have team member access, for example, as well, depending on what level you come in. We have an archive button right here, plugin settings. Here on the right hand side you can of course set up your profile, you can integrate different autoresponders, you can check out the tutorials and all that good stuff, right? But let's say you want to get started and you want to help a local business, an influencer, or maybe a gym or a content creator to actually stream something, right, in the most engaging way possible. Or maybe you want to use this for your actual own business. So in that case, what you can do is you can just click here and create a new event. And here I have the option to stream on Facebook Live, YouTube Live, and Twitch simultaneously, or I could just pick one of them, right? And here, as you can see, you can also upload a pre-recorded video, right? This gives you ultimate leverage. This means that you can upload a video and stream it as if you were doing it live. You have comments, you can respond to people, and this is a fantastic way if you are looking to get leverage in your business as well. So you could pick here either to do an actual live stream where you can stream out to Facebook, YouTube, or Twitch at the same time, and you can obviously help your clients with that as well because this comes with a commercial license, or you can upload your pre-recorded video. Then here you want to select your Facebook account and your timeline. You can even pick here, depending on which upgrade you have, to stream on a timeline, a Facebook fan page, or in a group, all at the same time, or one of them. And also here you want to give it a title, so I'm just going to call this live demo. And then here I can, say that I want to stream now, or I can say that I want to actually schedule it. And then you can see here, we can go ahead and we can schedule this in the future so that people can actually register, right? Another cool thing about StreamYard is that you actually get registration pages, thank you pages, and you can customize them. I'm going to show you that in a moment here as well. So you can pick different times right here. You can obviously customize anything right here, pick a date, pick a date and time. And then this is cool. We have email reminders, we have SMS reminders, and even WhatsApp reminders as well. That you can choose from as well, okay, depending on which level you come on board with. That is one of the upgrades with the WhatsApp reminders, for example, right? Now, if I want to go ahead here and just go, right into the action, I can click here on create right now. And then what it's going to do is it's going to head over there. And just like that, it took me to the actual customization options. And here you can see on top of this menu, event details, registration page settings, registration page text, reminders, autoresponders, and registrants. All these things can be customized, right? So you're adding the power of live streaming true webinar style, high conversion strategies as well. This was created by marketers for marketers. And remember, with commercial license, which you get included during this launch special, you can use this also with your prospects and clients, right? So here it says event details. You can customize anything right here, the name of the actual event, if you want to stream on a timeline, the event title, there's the registration page, URL, then you have the registration page URL here as well. I can click here and actually check it out. So you can see here real time in seconds, it actually created a registration page. I have a countdown timer here. I have a calendar here. People can enter their name, their email, and even their phone number so that we can also remind them with text messages as well, right? This is incredible. And this was just done in seconds, and you can now customize anything you like here on this registration page, for example, right? And then here you can see the event description that you can customize, the time zone, you can select email, SMS, or with another upgrade, you can also set your WhatsApp reminders. And then here, if I click on registration page settings, now I can even customize here everything, like I said, right? I can upload my own logo, I can customize the text, I can customize the background image, the countdown timer, of course, the date, anything right here. I can customize the colors and so forth and so forth. I can even add right here GDPR settings as well. That is totally up to you. You have full freedom for full customization, right? Then here, the thank you page. Same thing, you can customize the thank you page, the colors, the images, the logo. You can fully customize for yourself, for your business, for your agency, or for the clients that you work with. If you want to have a video, no problem, just grab a YouTube URL, plug it in here, Vimeo URL, and you're good to go. Social media links, tracking codes, social media preview. I can click here on the registration page. Text, for example, I can customize that as well, add bullet points. Then here we have reminders. You can use the default email that we provide you with, or you can even write your own email right here, right? And one can go out instantly when someone registers for the live call, or for example, 5 minutes before. You can customize here as well. And then here the SMS message customization as well, as you can see. So, and then here, check this out. If I click here on autoresponders, you can select different autoresponders. You just have to add them. So, you know, depending on which one you want to use. If I click here on connect autoresponders, check this out. We work with most of the most popular autoresponders that are out there: MailChimp, GetResponse, ActiveCampaign, iContact, SendLane, Constant Contact, Benchmark, Infusionsoft, Aweber, and the list goes on and on and on. Depending on the upgrade that you pick, you have all these autoresponders available for you as well, so that you can also do email reminders as well, right? So if you use email reminders, SMS reminders, WhatsApp reminders, you have a very high chance to get a very high attendance rate on your actual live stream, right? And then you can click here on registrants, and you can bulk upload registrants right here. You can import from previous events that you had, and once you have people register, you can see them right here, and you can manage your registrants as well. So everything is very step by step, very easy to use, and then you just schedule the actual stream and you're good to go. If you want to have it in the future, cool. If you want to have it right now, if you want to check out the now dashboard, so to speak, I can click here and go live, so we can have a quick preview of the live dashboard. Okay, and here you can see how the live dashboard will look like. You can see here a countdown timer that says going live in 22 minutes. You can mute or unmute your microphone right here. You can even add a guest as well. With one of the upgrades, you can have up to 4 guests sharing at the same time. You can share your screen, you can share your camera. Here on the left hand side, you can have comments, you can engage with your audience, you have captions, you can add graphics, you can customize the setup. All these things you can do inside of StreamOut. You can do this for yourself, for your own business, or with clients. Like I said, this is super, super cool. And if I go here to the main dashboard, just to show you a little bit more of the dashboard, if I click here on social accounts, this is where you can connect your Facebook account, your YouTube account, your Twitch account. Just takes a couple of minutes, and then you can stream on all these platforms. I can click here on plugin settings, on archive, on team members. That is one of the upgrades where you can have your team log in for you and do the setup for you. And then here again, app integrations and also autoresponder integrations, right? A fantastic software, enterprise software. This is what StreamOut brings to the table. And if you look at the rest of the page, I think that you will see that this is an incredible deal. This was created by marketers for marketers, and specifically to help you drive more business out there, either for your own business or for local businesses that you're helping. Influencers you could sell these services to, and you know, local businesses in your local area, influencers, coaches, consultants, content creators, anyone that needs to get content out there, especially right now with the pandemic still going on, right? So enjoy the rest of the page. I think you will love what you see, and I can't wait to see you inside the members area.
Okay, let's have a look at the different OTOs and upgrades to know exactly what you're getting into if you decide to purchase or to upgrade your front-end product. On the front end side of StreamOut, you have the silver plan and the gold plan. Silver is the personal plan and the gold is the commercial license plan. First OTO you get is the StreamOut Unlimited, which is $67 one-time payment. Second OTO is the StreamOut Pro, $67 one-time payment. Third OTO is the StreamOut Resellers. You have the Reseller Lite $97, Reseller Pro $197, and the Reseller Ninja $297. And the last one, fourth OTO, you have the StreamOut Done For You pack, which is $67 one-time payment. As you can see, altogether there are 4 OTOs to the StreamOut software. Thank you for watching my review. If you want to check out StreamOut, please click on the link below. And be sure to like the video and hit the subscribe button and bell notification, as it really helps my YouTube channel. Once again, thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!